The mind should disappear and you should be present. Daily in our sleep, the mind disappears, but we are also not present. Therefore, it is not useful. What the yoga student wants is, the mind should disappear and he should be present. This is possible only through one process. That is, inviting the mind fellow to the activity of the lungs and heart. Then the mind approaches the heart through slow degrees. It takes some weeks. Sometimes it may take some months, but it never takes years. And when it is successful in making a complete approach to the lungs and the heart, then there is a total disappearance of the mind and a fully conscious presence of yourself. Observe what happens when you attend a wonderful musical opera. In the first few minutes, before the music was started, the hall and the people who are present in the hall are present to your mind. And the musical party also are present to your mind. Then the music starts. Then there is no hall in your mind. It disappears from your mind. And then the people who are sitting around you are not there in your mind. There is only the musician and the music going on, and yourself observing the music. So there are three things existing. One is the musician and the music. The second is yourself, the listener of the music. And the third is the process of listening to the music. So this triangle exists with you as the music, the listener, and the process of listening. Within a few minutes, you will not be there. You will drop off from your mind, and only two things exist. That is the music and the process of listening. And within the next few minutes, the musician's face also disappears from your mind. And then there is only the process of listening music. And after some time, nothing except music exists. Only one thing exists. All other things will drop off. Why? Because the mind disappeared. But at the same time you are present. You are not sleeping because you are enjoying. In the meanwhile, what happens if the fellow sitting by your side says like that? Automatically, all the fellows are there to your mind again. The hall is there. The musical party is there. All other things are once again present to your mind because the mind is once again present. As long as the mind is not there, you are there. And only one thing is there. And there is no other thing. The moment the mind is born once again, there are 2 things, 3 things, 10 things and 100 things to your mind. The plurality exists as long as the mind exists. So, in order to utilize the power of thought in a proper manner, you have to entertain thought in such a way that it makes your mind disappear. You should be able to steer your thoughts in a proper way. Now, once again, recollect about the student going to examination. Why he is not able to remember his lesson? Because of the plurality existing to his mind. Why he is able to remember the book, story book which he has read? Because the plurality does not exist to his thought. He wanted to read the book. There was no second idea that he has to remember it. So you should have all your thoughts directed into one direction. Gradually you will be able to have only one direction for life. You can have 1,000 activities in your life. You can be very active all through the day, but you will enjoy full leisure all through the time, and you will never do anything while your body is doing many things. Remember how you were driving when you were first learning you were driving the car. You were driving with your mind, with your eyes, with your hands, with your legs, sometimes with your elbows also. And you are observing every pedestrian and every vehicle on the street carefully. You are trying to save yourself and your car from all these fellows. Every moment you are driving, every part of your thought is only driving, and every part of your body is only driving. The result is you are having a worst driving. When somebody travels with you in the car, he is afraid at every step whether he could reach the destination safe or not. If at all he reaches the destination, he has to do something to his body because he is suffering from aches and pains all over the body. After 10 years or 20 years, then observe how you are driving. You are driving in the most busy street. You are talking to the same friend once again by your side. You are asking him questions and playing jokes upon him. And the friend is very comfortable in his ride because the driving is so soft. But at the same time, if you observe yourself, your mind is not driving because it is talking to your friend. Your hands are not driving because you are not asking your hands to drive. Your legs are not driving because you are not forcing them to drive. Every part of your body is engaged in automatic action. When you have no proposal at all to drive, you are not driving, but driving is being done through you. So from the active voice, driving takes passive voice. In the previous state, you were driving. In the final state, driving is being done through you. You stop doing it. In the same way, when you are a master of your thought, you will stop doing anything at all and you will sit down leisurely and enjoy time. At the same time, 1,000 things are being done through you very actively. And the speed with which things are done is wonderful. The perfection is stunning. And things are done thoroughly and accurately and precisely. At the same time, you have nothing to do at all. This is what is called surpassing action and living in liberation. This is what you enjoy if you know the power of your thought. I will give another example. Do you know people who are always thinking of their health, who are always conscious of their own disease? Day by day, they go into worse and worse disease. Whenever you meet them, they speak nothing except their own sufferings. And when you want to speak some other thing, they will once again bring you into the same topic and they speak only of their ailments and sufferings. If you want to suggest something better, they are not ready to listen to you. Once again, they are ready only to report about their own sufferings. Established well in their negative thought, it is very, very difficult for you to bring them into the positive way of thinking. Observe them year after year, they are failing in their health more and more, growing more selfish in their ideas and thoughts, driving their thoughts towards nothing except their own health, their own disease, and not allowing their own children or husband or wife to think anything except their own disease. Horribly self-centered and horribly disease-centered, living only on nerves, growing more and more irritable, more and more angry and ugly in their behavior, and more sorrowful and melancholy throughout the day, and crumbling in health awfully year after year, meeting more and more number of doctors, eating more and more medicines, going worse and worse in their health. This is the power of thought when negatively used. No doctor can save them until their mind is diverted towards something else, something different from their own health. If you console them and ask them not to think of their health, it is not at all possible. They begin to hate you because you are asking them not to think of their disease. They think that you have no sympathy for them. See, now you should never ask them not to think of their health. You should be able to attract their mind towards some other thought continuously for a longer period of time until the new thought establishes a new center of thought, makes a new habit of new thought, forms a new nucleus of activity. Then, during the absence of his thought towards his disease, the fellow will have a little respite and amelioration, and then begins to improve. And when once he knows the taste of how to improve himself, then he knows one secret, that he should not try to avoid his thought, but he should try to direct his thought towards something positive. I will give you one practical example. We have many clinics run in India under my supervision, and all the clinics are run on charity basis. Some people offer their services and they begin to attend the clinics to render service to the suffering humanity. And they will train themselves in inviting the patient and making him sit and then questioning him about his own sufferings and the history of the disease from the beginning, to make a note of it and conduct discussions with them in a pleasant and jocular and humorous way, and then study the medicines and administer the doses to them. This is the training that the people receive, and within 1 year, these fellows will grow healthy, and the long-standing complaints they have and the chronic ailments they are suffering from for a very long time, they gradually decrease and disappear, and they begin to grow healthy. After 1 year, they find themselves much healthy and they gain confidence in themselves. Now they are sure that they can make themselves healthy, and within the next 1 year they are perfectly healthy. We have many such examples of people who are attending our clinics. They grow healthy for the simple reason that they forgot about their own diseases and began to think of the diseases of others. That is, the direction of thought current is changed from negative to positive activity. Negative means a receiving activity. Positive means a transmitting activity. When you are ready to find out what the other fellow wants, you are on the positive thought. When you always remember what you want, and when you always remember what others have to do to you, you are on the negative pole, because you are on the receiving end. You always remember what others have to do for you, and then you begin to complain about others, and then you begin to grow sick and sick. This is one fact which can be verified by everyone. I do not mean that ill health is to be ignored. I only mean that necessary steps for the treatments should be taken, but one should not live upon thoughts of his own disease. And one should not continuously conscious of his own sufferings. A solution is different from dwelling upon one's own negative aspect. As long as you are seeking a solution for your sufferings, you are not dwelling upon your sufferings. But as long as you are thinking of your sufferings more and more, you are not thinking of solution, but you are thinking of problem. This is one example of directing the thought current in the wrong way and the right way. And the result of directing it in the wrong way and the result of directing it in the right way. One fact should not be ignored, that a thought forms a channel for something else. What happens if you arrange a tube from the water of a bigger from the water of a higher level to the water of a lower level? Automatically the water begins to flow through the tube. What a tube is to liquids, thought is to your own energies. Always thoughts form channels of energies. And if the energy is made to flow in the right direction, it makes you and others better. Then it is called the positive application of the same energy. When it is directed in a wrong direction by using a thought in a wrong way, then you are using the same energy to destroy. There is only one energy in this universe, and there is no good energy or bad energy. There is only a good way of applying and bad way of applying energy. For a person who knows the secret, there are neither good people nor bad people in this world. There are only people behaving in a good way and people behaving in a bad way. When you know this one secret, you will be able to direct at least 80% of your friends and relatives in the positive way. Sometimes you can use your word as a vehicle of your thought, and you can induce confidence in them. A doctor who speaks to his patient should use his art of conversation in a positive way, because the use of medicine is not the only way to cure. Medicine forms only 20% of the means to cure. The rest of the 80% remains with the behavior of the doctor with the patient, and the behavior of the patient with the doctor, and changing the habits of the patient, changing the behavior towards food, drink, etc., and sometimes changing the environment of the patient, sometimes changing the